Hi everyone, this is Deborah Harrison with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. I wanted to share with you today the January 2021 Stamp Club project. And it uses the Dragonfly Garden bundle with the stamp set and the punch. And I love dragonflies. These are so beautiful. In fact, the other day I was looking up the meaning of dragonflies and I learned that it means change and hope. Hope for new beginnings. And I thought, how appropriate is that for this time with the start of a new year? I think after this last year, we can all look forward to some change and hope. So I wanted to share with you the projects that we'll be making in the Stamp Club. We're gonna make 4 cards. And you will want to own that bundle to be able to stamp and punch the butterflies. We'll make the 4 cards. It'll have envelopes with it as well as an easel calendar. And I love the easel calendar because you can just prop it up on your desk, or if you want, you can even mail it because it flattens nicely. You will, like I said, want to own the Dragonfly Bundle, but you'll also too want to have the Misty Moonlight ink pad and the Bumblebee ink pad, as well as your adhesives and a black stamp pad of some sort. So the cost of the Stamp Club is $20, or it's free with a $25 order in my online store with the host code that will be provided in the link. If you need your project kit mailed to you, there is $5 to cover the postage. The deadline to sign up is January 9th. I will order everything, prep it, package it up, and have it ready to either mail, or if you live locally in San Antonio, for you to pick it up by January 14th. I usually will have them ready earlier, but I like to give myself that time just in case, particularly after the holidays. If you are wanting to place an order, the Dragonfly Bundle is not available till January 5th. So if you want to wait to place your order until January 5th, you can do that. You can still go ahead and sign up, indicating that you want to get the project kit free with a qualifying order. And you can just place your order January 5th. You will need to place your order by January 9th, though, in order to confirm your kit. If you live locally and you want to join us in person on January 14th, there is a local in-person option for you to sign up. So guys, I am looking so forward to putting this project kit together for you. If you have any questions, please reach out. The registration link is in the post below, and I hope that you have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye, guys.